What is the word evolution? It was the name of a store. It was the name of something that you saw on Pokemon. But mostly, it was the name of something that implies when one thing grows and evolves. Mostly, it becomes something new. Starting with this one. Starting with this prehistoric fish. This debuted in the Silurian seas. Known as Cephalaspis. It first debuted on Walking with Monsters. Codenamed as a heavily armored fish. Its fossil finds were, wow, everywhere? Wow, what will they think of next? Never would have noticed they'd find it everywhere. I mean, this fish really is famous. Well, famous in my book. It first appeared on Walking with Monsters. Oh yeah, I already said that. Anyhow, I've been... Ever since I first saw this fish, I first saw it evolve into something else. It evolved into Hynervaton, one of the first amphibians. Before, it was Hycoethes, and later it's going to become Petrolachosaurus. This prehistoric fish has been, well, part of my history ever since I first saw it, after I obtained the DVD on Walking with Monsters. Cephalaspis, well, started out as, well, something I saw on Discovery Channel, which later became one of my, well, it was in my top commons on the Walking with series. The top commons are dinosaurs that I mostly put on my list for those who have, well, it depends on what the quality of the creature looks like. The point is, well, evolution takes over, finds ways to fight back, and, well, to be honest, the word evolution, it never stops. Anyhow, I'm proud you got to see me draw this fish. This might be my only chance to say thank you all for letting me draw this for you guys. What can I say? Dinosaurs are always my thing. And I'll see you guys soon. Good night.